So I've been walking and working out for over an hour. So it's a bench right here, a beautiful tree, some shade. I took my sneakers off so I can do some earthing and grounding. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful the view is over here. If you are suffering with depression, low self-esteem, low energy, I suggest you get in nature. The sun, I swear, is always on me. I always end up with it like directly in front of me. But vitamin D is so good for us. We need it, especially coming out of that winter we just had. It's springtime. You don't want to be unhappy during this hot summer that we're about to have. So get out and start walking now. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I went on a beautiful nature walk with myself. I'm having such a wonderful day. The sun is shining. I'm in my element. I feel great. I feel energized. And it's so beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. So if you don't know what earthing and grounding is, this is what earthing and grounding is. You can sit in the grass, you can go to the beach, you can walk in the grass. But I'm telling you, if you suffer from health issues, inflammation, just look into it. It's a documentary here on YouTube called the Earthing Movie. I watched it and I got a lot of inspiration from it. For some reason, I've always liked to walk barefoot, and I didn't know that it had, health benefits to doing that. And I started doing my own research. I'm like, wow. And I'm like, it makes sense why everybody's at the beach, why everybody likes to bike and walk trails and stuff like that. Just look how beautiful the sun is today. I don't know if I can catch it this way, but look how beautiful that is. And listening to the nature sounds, I'm in my element. I feel great. And this is something that you can do by yourself. I know a lot of people like to say they need a gym partner or walking buddy. And I feel like sometimes you can have that, but you got to be able to get up and go when you don't have your gym partner and your walking buddy. Like you have to be committed to changing your own situation. So, but I hope you guys get out in nature. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this beautiful spring that we're having, and you get healthy and you get happier.